Is it raining outside?
Yes, it is raining.
Are you feeling well today?
Yes, I am feeling great.
Are they coming to the party tonight?
Yes, they are coming.
Is she your sister?
Yes, she is my sister.
Am I late for the meeting?
No, you are right on time.
Is the supermarket open now?
Yes, it is open until 10 p.m.
Are the children playing in the garden?
Yes, they are playing outside.
Is this your bag?
No, it is not mine.
Are we going to the movies tonight?
No, we are staying in and watching a movie at home.
Is he studying for the exam?
Yes, he is studying hard.
Is the bus late today?
No, it arrived on time.
Are you ready for dinner?
Yes, I am hungry.
Is it sunny outside?
Yes, the sun is shining brightly.
Are they going to the gym after work?
Yes, they are heading there now.
Am I allowed to bring my dog to the park?
No, pets are not allowed in the park.
Is the store open on Sundays?
No, it's closed on Sundays.
Are the dishes clean?
Yes, I just washed them.
Is she your teacher?
Yes, she is my English teacher.
Are we going on vacation next month?
Yes, we are planning a trip to the beach.
Is he driving to work today?
No, he is taking the bus.
Is this your first time visiting this city?
No, I've been here before.
Are you enjoying the movie?
Yes, it's very entertaining.
Am I allowed to park here?
No, this is a no parking zone.
Is your phone fully charged?
Yes, it's at 100%.
Are they going to the concert tonight?
No, they have other plans.
Is it too late to order food?
No, the restaurant is still open.
Are we meeting at the usual place?
Yes, let's meet there at 6 p.m.
Is she your best friend?
Yes, we've been friends for years.
Am I wearing the right outfit for the party?
Yes, you look great.
Is he coming to the meeting?
Yes, he confirmed his attendance.
Is the coffee hot?
Yes, it's steaming hot.
Are you going to the gym after work?
No, I'm too tired today.
Am I pronouncing this word correctly?
No, you need to emphasize the second syllable.
Is the restaurant busy right now?
Yes, it's packed.
Are they going on vacation next week?
No, they're saving up for a trip later in the year.
Is it too late to call him?
No, he's usually up late.
Are we having pizza for dinner?
Yes, I ordered it just now.
Is she coming to the party?
Yes, she RSVP'd yesterday.
Am I driving too fast?
Yes, you should slow down.
Is he wearing a new shirt?
Yes, he just bought it yesterday.
Is the meeting at 9 a.m.?
Yes, that's correct.
Are you going to the concert with us?
No, I have other plans.
Am I allowed to bring my own snacks to the movie theater?
No, outside food and drinks are not permitted.
Is the weather going to be nice tomorrow?
Yes, it's forecasted to be sunny.
Are they going to the museum on Saturday?
No, they're going hiking instead.
Is it safe to swim in the ocean today?
No, there's a strong rip current warning.
Are we having a potluck for the office party?
Yes, everyone is bringing a dish to share.
Is she feeling better after being sick?
Yes, she's recovering well.
Am I forgetting anything before we leave?
Yes, don't forget your keys.
Is he going to pick you up from the airport?
Yes, he said he would be there on time.
Is it snowing outside?
No, it's just cloudy.
Are you going to the party tomorrow?
Yes, I already RSVP'd.
Am I supposed to bring anything to the potluck?
Yes, please bring a side dish or dessert.
Is the store open on holidays?
No, it's closed on major holidays.
Are they coming to visit us this weekend?
Yes, they'll be here on Saturday.
Is it okay if I borrow your pen?
Yes, go ahead.
Are we still meeting for lunch?
No, I have to cancel, something came up.
Is she going to the doctor's appointment alone?
No, I'm accompanying her.
Am I wearing too much perfume?
Yes, it's a bit overwhelming.
Is he going to fix the leaky faucet?
Yes, he's getting the tools now.
Is it time to go home already?
No, we still have some work to finish.
Are you going to the gym later?
Yes, I try to go every evening.
Am I allowed to bring my dog to the park?
Yes, as long as it's on a leash.
Is the restaurant busy right now?
No, it's pretty quiet at the moment.
Are they going on vacation next month?
Yes, they're going to Europe for 2 weeks.
Is it too late to call her?
No, she's usually up late.
Are we having spaghetti for dinner?
Yes, I'm cooking it right now.
Is she coming to the meeting?
No, she's out sick today.
Am I driving too fast?
No, you're driving at a safe speed.
Is he wearing a new tie?
Yes, he just bought it yesterday.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, you might need a jacket.
Are you going to the gym after work?
No, I have plans to meet a friend for dinner.
Am I allowed to bring outside food into the movie theater?
No, outside food is not permitted.
Is the traffic heavy on the way to the airport?
Yes, you should leave early to avoid being late.
Are they going to the beach this weekend?
No, they're going hiking in the mountains instead.
Is it okay if I borrow your umbrella?
Yes, go ahead and take it.
Are we still on for lunch today?
No, I have a meeting that just came up.
Is she coming to the party tonight?
Yes, she RSVP'd yes.
Am I wearing too much cologne?
Yes, you might want to tone it down a bit.
Is he going to the doctor's appointment alone?
No, I'm going with him for support.
Is it raining cats and dogs outside?
Yes, you'll need an umbrella.
Are you going to the gym after class?
No, I have a group study session.
Am I allowed to use my phone during the meeting?
No, it's best to keep it on silent and focus on the discussion.
Is the traffic bad on the highway?
Yes, there's a lot of congestion.
Are they going to the zoo on Saturday?
No, they're planning a picnic instead.
Is it fine if I borrow your laptop?
Yes, just make sure to return it when you're done.
Are we still going to the concert tonight?
Yes, I already bought the tickets.
Is she attending the conference next week?
Yes, she's one of the keynote speakers.
Am I speaking too softly?
Yes, it's a bit hard to hear you.
Is he going to the dentist appointment alone?
No, I'm accompanying him for support.
Is the food spicy?
No, it's mild.
Are you coming to the party tonight?
Yes, I wouldn't miss it.
Am I allowed to take photographs in the museum?
Yes, but without flash.
Is it far to walk to the train station?
No, it's just a few blocks away.
Are they bringing their dog to the park?
No, they're leaving him at home.
Is it okay if I arrive a little late?
Yes, but try to be on time if you can.
Are we still meeting for coffee tomorrow?
Yes, I'll see you at 10 a.m.
Is she coming to the movie with us?
No, she's already seen it.
Am I wearing the right shoes for hiking?
Yes, those are perfect.
Is he picking you up from work?
No, I'm taking the bus home.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and